It defines who we are and what we do. We are integral. Welcome to TEG. My name is John Hunt. I'm the Managing Director. I'd like to introduce you to the company. TEG is an EASA Part 21J approved design organisation. We are also an EASA Part 21G POA, and we are certified for EASA Part 145 approval. The company employs 120 people, of whom 20 are design engineers. All production, design and maintenance activities take place in our facility here in Ireland. TEG is well known in the industry for AOG support. We are experts in the project management of aircraft modifications and aircraft kits. Our customers come to TEG because they have confidence in our ability to deliver on time and in full. We look forward to hearing from you when you have a requirement for aviation parts. Thank you.